Now I'm poppin', 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 losing it a option. Now I'm poppin', 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 losing it a option. Now we poppin', 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 poppin'. Now I'm poppin', losing it a option. Now I'm poppin', 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 losing it a option. Now I'm poppin', 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 losing it a option. Now we poppin', 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 poppin'. Now I'm poppin', losing it a option.
She's confused about what a thumbnail is, so we're gonna judge her for like about 5 seconds. I'm giving you guys 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done with our judgment. So she doesn't know what a thumbnail is. And I was telling her like, let's take a thumbnail really quick. And she's
what's a thumbnail? Keep it.
I got a new lip in my bag just in case I get uncomfortable with this orange lip.
You look cute. Let me see.
The orange is just too much. It's just too much for my face.
Are you sure? I feel like I love it. It complements your skin very well. And
Come
your
on, big
shadow.
head me, girl.
Did the shadow come with the same palette?
Yeah. Oh, let me
What do you
show.
have on today?
Today I am slaying it up with the slayage. These is lit.
Yeah, they look beautiful.
These are for those girls who like to just like go out and really just have like, you know.
Oh my goodness, I'm so good.
I'm gonna need to put some on her.
So good.
She playing games. Okay, so we are in the liquor store trying to find something to drink on before we get to the restaurant. I'm mad because so we just went in the liquor store and they did not have no liquor. So why would you guys call yourself the liquor store? I don't get it. I don't understand. Okay, so we are here, dude. I am having a Nene moment. Come on, Marlo. Come on. Come through, Marlo. Come fix this pony. This is where it is. We are having a bathroom break before, even though this is a single bathroom. But you know, that's girls have that option. We can do that. All right. Okay, so this is what the bathroom look like, you guys. Isn't it like? They even have a chandelier. Like, come on. Okay, so we are here, y'all, and we're ready to drink. Y'all ready? All right, we're gonna take you guys on a tour. You guys, this is it. This is super cute. I'm just trying to put y'all on the cute little, my first champagne. But the way they put everything together is just like super cute. It says Chanel and lipstick and stilettos and diamonds and champagne and Chanel and lipstick. So that's how life is. That's the motto. You want some Nollins, Gumburger? Okay, so
I love it. And I can't even look at the menu because I'm too busy looking at myself.
We get into this. Oh, Crabble San Lucas salad. That sounds
No, you
good.
didn't take me directly to the salad page.
I've been wanting this crab royale for the longest. It's snow crab, bacon, avocado, onions, cheddar cheese over brown rice. Okay, so how about we get into this hair and how silky it looks? How about that?
Oh, thank you.
Look at it. Yes, flow, girl. Flow. That is flowy.
Effortless
for the
curls.
Yes, yes. Y'all can go to her Insta and see.
Yeah, you can go to my Insta.
What's your Insta?
Darling Jess Co.
Wait, you can see my nipples.
Are they out?
I got rings.
Oh, me too. Oh my god, we twins. Nipple twins.
This is like a match made in heaven. She's my soulmate, you guys. Why did I just get scared? It what else does it do? The fish oil also it moisturizes your joints. It lubricates them. Let me say that. Not moisturize.
Oh, I love a lubricant. A good one. Natural lubricant. Vlog.
I do.
Yes, this is Derek.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, so Derek is our waiter today, and he's gonna get us right with the drinks, right?
Absolutely.
And the food, right?
Food, absolutely.
Okay. Okay, so crab royale. And what do you get?
And then for now, I'll have the ceviche salad.
Yes. And we'll keep these just in case we want to order them.
Yes. Thank you.
Go away. I wanted to. Oh, we can get a picture right here.
Now, hopefully I can actually get inside the bird cage. You think that's possible?
Okay, Tweety, come through. You guys, she's trying to get inside of here. I'm not about to play with her. So we're waiting for Derek to bring us back our drink. This lip is coming off as red and it's giving me all of them good vibes.
Cheers to
Cool ass
love
Kimbo.
and prosperity and music.
Wow. That tastes good. I don't
They
even
got
taste
me.
vodka.
They got me. Your phone is making me look like a star, bitch. I don't know.
Oh, I already feel this.
Already?
Ooh,
And that's
she's about
next
to go on a
month.
baby cake.
It's next month.
Soon come, soon come.
But tonight is dinner. So I'm excited.
Crab royale. When I tell you, bro, do you want to taste this?
No, I can't. I don't eat eggs. I don't eat cheese.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
But it looks good.
It tastes good too.
It's the truth.
Okay, so hey guys, we're really supposed to be having a business meeting. But
Oh, let me show you guys what I have. I showed my live video, but I haven't showed you guys. I have ceviche. That was a chip, and it fell on the table.
This is so good.
And
I didn't realize that this was on a bed of rice. It's so good.
well,
This
yeah,
is you pesto, bro. This is definitely
Brown rice,
pesto
right?
except for the bacon, probably.
it's almost like an omelet, right?
It is oh, you don't eat eggs. Keep reading. This is so
Good.
freaking good.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
We'll be talking to you soon. She's He just knows he's beautiful with that hair.
He be getting all the niggas.
Bro, I probably just fucked up my chin. She said he be probably getting all in it. It's strong, like it makes me feel good on the inside, but it's not like extra. Yeah, can we get this package to go?
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can
Did you
I
want
get
yours?
the chips too? Yeah.
Thank you
I
so
love
much.
it. It was delicious. Thank you. I love him.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just thinking because you have dark and you have light, but is
I'll
it
be
like
good.
fine? Okay.
I'll be good for now. We'll see once I stand up.
Okay, so next.
So you guys, yes, we just got done with our meeting, so now it's time to play, and we're gonna have a good day. All right.
We
Okay.
had an amazing meeting.
I think it was good. I think we got a lot out. I mean, I think we still do need to talk a little bit more.
Yeah.
But we got a lot out that we really needed to get.
Yeah, we kind of just share pretty much the focus of where our brands are going and how we can pretty much merge them together and collaborate
To make
and excel in women empowerment.
Okay, Amazon. So now we're gonna take our pictures and you guys are gonna see it on the gram. Hello. You guys can see me on the gram at Everybody Love Jen. And you can see her. Fuck it.
Darling Dust Co. is my Instagram.
Ow, killing with the kindness. Oh, I forgot. We're trying to get the money shot and it's pretty hard, but we will come through. He said, guys, I have not retouched my lips. I don't want to give you guys the up close because I haven't looked up close, but I just got done eating. I had a couple drinks, literally a couple. I had a shot and then a drink.